Good day everyone and welcome to this amazing channel. In this training and tutorial we'll be learning how to design this amazing logo design. So without wasting time, let's dive into the tutorials. We will be moving to our Canva now, and in our Canva we'll be clicking on let's create new design. We create down here. Then you are going to be clicking on your custom size. Your custom size, make sure it's having a higher number. The higher the number, the better the quality. So we'll be making it 5,000 by 5,000. So you click on create new design. We'll be clicking on text. You click at the heading, then mid-range should be M and R. So I click M, I click the mark sign, I increase, and I duplicate by using this plus icon. Bring this here, I click R. Great. So you click on the M now. I want to change the font. So we'll be using a font called Alba. Can you see Albatos Nova? Yeah, you click on it, Albatos Nova. Good. So let's change that. That's for R has changed. So let's go to M and also change it. Yeah, here is it, Albatos Nova. So M and R has been changed. So now let's bring this down here, and let's bring our R on top. You should make sure that the edges are joining themselves here and it's not bigger than the other. Yeah, perfect. Can you see? Good. So we can move this backwards a bit. So the next thing for us to do is to click on elements once more. Click on elements. You're going to find square, or let's use shape. And see shape here. You can type shape, click on search. So we'll be using this, either this or this. Let's use this. Great. So we are going to turn it, and from this edge here you are going to increase. So from this edge also move it closer. Can you see? Great. So you bring this here, you are going to notch, and you change the color to white. Let's select again by tapping on it. Tap the color, scroll it to white and change. Can you see? So it seems this R is not under this, so you are going to be clicking on this again. That is our tiny white rectangle. Now you scroll to position, click on position, then click on to front. Yeah, to front. Great. Yeah, amazing. So the next thing for us to do now is to click on this same tiny rectangle, click on it, then click this plus icon here to duplicate. Then you scroll and bring it down here. Just trying to make sure it's straight. Good. Let's bring it down here. Yeah. Great. Can you see? So we are moving on. The next thing for us to do now is to bring in our text. I'm going to click on text down here. You see? So you click on subheading. Now you bring this down, you enlarge. So I think this is in bold. Let's remove it from the bold. Just tap on this B to unselect the highlight. Then you type the name of the business. Mid-rich investment. Great. So the font should be, when you check the font here, the font size should be around 53. Yeah, great. So let's bring it to the middle here and just go to T advanced. Let's see T advanced. You want to give it a little bit of letter spacing. So let's drag it a bit. Yeah, I think 105 is okay. Then look at this. Pay attention here. Once you click on this and you see this cursor blinking on it, you place your hand on it until it highlights this side alone, investment. So you now come to B here and click on bold. Can you see? So you click on this mark sign. That means we are bolding on the investment. We are leaving mid-range the way it is. So move this one forward here. Great. So the next thing to do is to change our colors. Now your client might give you the color that you will use. That's the color of the brand, or you might need to change the color yourself. So if you are going to choose the color yourself, you might go to Google. You can go to Google Chrome and search for color palette. So here now I've searched for some color palettes here. You can see. Yeah. So these are list of colors that move together. For this side, you can see. For this side, those are colors that works together. So when your design, don't just use any color that you like. Make sure you are using a color palette as guide so that you won't have a color riot. Can you see? The highest colors in a design should not be more than 3. Highest is 4, and that is what you are seeing here. That's what you are seeing here. Can you see? So this is the first one here. This is the second one, the middle, third one, like that. Can you see? So that's that. So I'll be using this first color palette now for my colors. So let's start from the M. We are going to select the M. Let's go to color, click on color. Then you click on this plus icon because you want to select the color. Then you click on this pencil, that's the color picker. Then you move it towards this. Can you see the colors? So this is the first one we are going to use. Yeah, on it. So you come down here and click done. Good. Can you see? We are going to max that and click R again. Move back to color. Click this, click your pencil, bring it on this M. Can you see? Then click done also. Great. So remaining mid-range investment, you click on color picker again. You bring it on your palettes. I think this is our palette here. This is the next one. Can you see? Yeah. Yes. You click done. Can you see? So that's that. The next thing you are going to be doing now, we don't need this color palette any longer. You can click on this bin to delete. You want to merge it So we're having some elements here. Let's click on it. Click on M. You scroll down here to more. Click on more. Then you can see select multiple here. Click select multiple. Click on R. Click on mid-reach. Then click on this tiny rectangle, and you can see group here. You click on group. You click on this X sign. With this now, you are able to move around. Oh, sorry, it still remains the white rectangle under mid-reach. So let's just undo. Let's undo until the white appears. Good, the white has appeared now. So let's start from the white. It seems we might need to bring this a little bit closer so that, can you see? So bring it closer to the investment. When you move it too close, it turns to two lines. So bring it to only one line and move it closer so that we'll be able to select the white rectangle under it. So let's remove our color palette. Click on the white rectangle, go to more, click on select multiple, click on your R, your M, your tiny circle, and mid-reach itself to make 5. Then you come here to group. Great. I think it has been grouped now. So you click on X. So this now be able to move everything. So you can go ahead to download and make a mock-up out of it. So to download, so you click on download, this arrow facing the top, click on download, you move it up, you scroll this one to the highest point, then you download. So with this, we have come to the end of this training. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorials. See you in the next video, and good luck with your designs.